Marakara magweterera guikia kura ithurano-ini cia Jubilee maracũngĩrĩirie arũmĩrĩri amwe kũmundia maratathi manini maria marariho. Matigari ma maratathi maya makionania mang'ũrĩ mao. No hihi mang'ũrĩ maya kũgũagũa thutha wa President Uhuru Kenyatta gũcũnga muhera na gwĩtĩkĩra atĩ kĩama gĩtireharĩrĩirie wega gũtabania gĩthurano kĩu.
We take this opportunity to say that to the millions of party faithful who turned out to vote, and to the thousands of party aspirants who turned out to compete for our party's ticket, we unreservedly apologize for the underpreparedness, for the magnitude and scale of the nomination exercise.
President aretikira ati kiama gitirerigagirira ati arũmĩrĩri a Jubilee ni mekwiyumiria kwa uigi uguo na nikyo kurari na unyihu wa maratathi.
The Jubilee party was prepared for a normal party primary. We were confronted instead by a full-scale general election in terms of the sheer massive turnout that we all witnessed.
And this is what now, from yesterday and today, we have been undertaking to ensure that we have enough material so that every single registered voter in every constituency will now have the opportunity to participate in the rescheduled primaries.
Uhuru athiete na mbere na kuga ati kiama kiu no kirumitie gutabania ithurano cia kihoto na waragania na nikyo ikinya ria gukanja ithurano kundu guothe rirakinyanirio.
Ndio kila mwananchi sauti yake isikike na haki yake ifanyike. Kwa hivyo, kwa niaba ya chama, mimi nawahakikishia wale wote ambao wanagombania vyeo mbalimbali ya kwamba hakuna mmoja wetu katika uongozi wa chama cha Jubilee ambaye anapendelea yeyote.
Arigereirie na kuria arũmĩrĩri na ahũranĩri ite kũgĩa na ũkirĩrĩria kiuga atĩ mahĩtia macio maronekanire matigũcokerwo rĩngĩ. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Monica Kaguni.